Hello lovers of Bukiti Fashion, welcome to another episode of Everything Hair. So guys, let's revamp this hair. So here are the products we're going to be using. First, I'm just going to mix my hot and cold water to have warm water, and then I'm going to go ahead and put my shampoo so we can just get the dirt out of the hair first. So you're going to put a generous amount of shampoo depending on the condition of your hair. So I felt this wasn't enough, so I had to go in for more because this week badly needed a revamp. So after brushing out my hair and detangling it, I'm going to dip the hair into the shampoo and the water. I'm just going to gently wash it out, starting with the closure. And as you can see, the water was really dirty and wasn't foamy, so I had to go in again the second time. So you're going to go in with the second time, and you're going to basically repeat the same process. Always remember to use warm water and not hot water. So when I have the desired temperature for the water, normal, I then dip my wig for the second time, and as you can see, it's now very foamy. The dirt and the build-up materials are now gone, so we can now properly wash our wig and get rid of any other residue that is left. So next we are going to rinse out the shampoo from the hair. And then I'm going to go in with my conditioner. So after doing that, I'm going to rinse it out. After leaving it sit for some time, I had to cut that out so I won't waste a lot of your time. I'm going to rinse the conditioner out. And then I'll go in with my hair mask. So some people mix this with their hair treatment and everything, but I prefer to do this separately. I apply my hair mask to my hair first, and I use a mannequin hair so I can get each inch of the hair. And because this hair is very long as well, as in want it to tangle, because it was really a process applying the product and detangling it, especially after shampooing, after conditioning. So I just had to look for an easier way to do this, so I decided to put it on my mannequin head and get that thing done. So after I'm done, I'm going to put it in a ziploc bag and I'm going to let it sit for roughly 15 to 20 minutes. Then I'm going to plug in my Revamp bag so it can just start heating up while I'm finishing the process and getting the hair treatment ready. So after the hair mask has seated in my hair for some time, I'm going to take it out, and then at this point, depending on how long you've used your hair, you could leave it at this because the texture was already very smooth. But like I said, this hair badly needed a revamp, so I had to go in with a complete deal, like the full package. So after that, I'm going to rinse out my hair mask from the hair with warm water. So I basically use warm water for all the process. So I don't know if other people have other methods of doing this, but as you can see, the hair didn't tangle and it was so smooth and silky. And like I said, if you've worn your hair for very few times, you don't need to go through all the process of Revamp. You could just give your hair a shampoo wash, condition it, and then use your hair mask, and that will be all. So as you can see, the hair was really looking very smooth and silky. So I'm going to rinse this out, and then I'm going to begin my hair treatment. I'm just mixing my products together, and I also use oil, but I recommend you use a hair oil and not just any random oil. Even though using argan oil or coconut oil, make sure it's original. So I'm going to mix that, and then I'm going to begin applying on the hair as well. So I'm just going to use my hands because this way I get it in thoroughly. You could use a brush or whatever works best for you. So I'm done, and I'm going to put it in my Ziploc bag. Just making sure I got each strand of the hair covered with a treatment. So I'm going to put it in my Ziploc bag, and then I'm going to put that in my Revamp bag. So after doing that, I'm going to put it on a timer, and we're done, guys. So you're going to take your wig out of your Ziploc bag, and then you're going to use your warm water to rinse out the process, basically repeating what you did with your hair mask. And like I said, some people mix their hair masks with their treatment together, but I prefer to do it separately so that each product doesn't kind of like override the other or make it lose its own properties or its own usefulness in the wig. So that's why I do it separately. So I'm just going to rinse the products out, and I'm going to change the water as many times as possible till I get a clear water showing the products are all out of the hair. So as you can see, it came out really perfect. So if you follow these steps and use the products I showed you on your screen, you're going to come out with these same results. So make sure you try it out and let me know how it goes. And also make sure you check out my part 2 for how I will be styling this hair. So I'm still thinking of what I'll do with it too. But make sure you turn on your notifications so you don't miss out when I eventually decide on what to do. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye.